Wow, you look so good. Aside from possible neckline and possible beading fixes, it kind of just looked like we're doing some normal fit.
Like, yeah. And what you think about making the beading detachable for the sleeves?
Okay.
Because
Very
as soon as like I go to hug anybody, I'm scared it's just gonna break.
Okay.
So I have it on for the ceremony and then take it off for the reception.
Okay.
But if that's like not possible,
We'll take a look at it and see if it is. It'll depend on how they're applied to the dress currently. Okay, let's start with the shoulders so you don't have to hold your chest up anymore. How is that feeling on your shoulders?
good.
Let's talk about circumference and then we can adjust height again if we need to. But sometimes taking in tighter makes it feel tighter through the length of it. This feels like where your waist is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do we want to take any in on your waist? How are you feeling about fit through here?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Like, I think it fits.
I think it feels good.
Okay.
And if you're comfortable in it, then that's all that needs to be said about it. Yeah, it feels pretty good. With that being said, if you do want to raise it higher, we can. I think if we raise it higher, it might come off of your waist. But you know your body better than I do. Just keep an eye on it today because with the nature of how beaded your dress is, it's way better to take them up partially and then come back in and take them up more. This is so high.
I know. I'm like, wow, that's like up there.
Yeah, we can lower the cup, but we'll also need to take in a significant bust start here to also lower where the bust point sits in the fabric.
Okay.
And so we will have to do some bust start. It may or may not be something that we can pin today. We might have to move the cups first so they're not in our way. We'll take a look at it though and see. I can't tell if these are sewn onto a ribbon or anything like it. To me, it looks like each strand is individually sewn into the dress. If that's the case, it's not impossible to make them detachable, but it would make it really expensive because we'd have to go in and tie off every one. But when we're in there working on the shoulder, we'll know with better surety, because we'll have to undo some of them anyway. And so we'll be able to take a look at it then. Another thing to take into consideration though is that we're gonna have to either move or remove a huge section of these, which either means tightening this cuff to make sure that there's no gaps in your beading or removing all of them and moving your armhole down. So we'll walk through that and see kind of what your preferences are everywhere. How are you feeling about how this sits? Do you like how it is? Do you want it tighter?
I mean, I think I like how it is, but if we need to make it a bit tighter, like how tighter are we talking?
Like whatever we're taking up here, we would also take in here. My biggest worry is if you go to reach up and if it gets stuck at a higher part of your arm.
And that's not like, that is part of the problem is like I'll do this and then I have to kind of like shimmy it down, otherwise it gets like stuck.
Yeah, let me think on that for a second. Let's first chat about whether or not we can close this up.
Because like, if I just went like that, it would close, but I'm
Yeah.
not a seamstress, so.
No, that's kind of what I'm thinking as well. Would you do that one more time for me?
Absolutely.
The only problem is that it usually requires a dart coming down here and you don't have any beading to cover if we do have a seam line there. Okay, that won't hold it all the way, but this will at least give us an idea of, I think we can definitely go to this point.
Okay.
I think that if it were possible to like go in and kind of pull your chest up into it, we might be able to go a little bit higher, but probably not much more than this because then we start
right where
okay,
I'd be like,
that would be max anyway.
Yeah.
What if we start here,
yeah, that's fine.
see how it's affecting everything, and then if we want or need to go higher, we can, and we can address whether or not we have the space to go higher at that point. And then the cups still definitely need to be moved down, but I think tightening the underbust helps give you some lift, and so it kind of mediates how much we'll have to lower them and how much of a bust start we'll have to do. I think that if we are unsure of whether we're gonna raise this anymore, I'm gonna hold off on pinning bust starts entirely until we have this done up and we can see how that's affecting everything else.
Okay.
If we're taking up this much in the shoulder, the two options that I was providing earlier are we take off all of this and lower your armhole, which means replacing all of these, which would be, I think, difficult. But the other option, it doesn't give you quite as much freedom and quite as much sleeve. I mean, either way, it's gonna be a lot of probably rebeading, unless there's some surprise in here where they're like way easier to work with than I'm thinking. If you really wanna do the detachable, and we're gonna do that anyway, we have a little bit more freedom. We don't have to get rid of this. I just really am like kind of stuck here.
Okay.
Maybe let's hold off on the sleeve conversation until I've gone in and looked at what's going on when I take in the shoulder.
Is there anywhere else to take in the shoulder?
I think anywhere else we would still have to rebead. I feel like that would be a good stopping point. We could potentially raise it up a little bit higher next time too. I don't think it would be possible to raise it much higher than that.
I think I just want, like there.
I'm gonna put a pin here so that way I know as I'm sewing if I can raise it up without it giving us issues, then we can do that. And then we'll also pin our bust start to get rid of all of this excess. It's gonna help it look like it actually fits you.
Okay.
We'll wanna be cautious of how tight we go, because if we go tight here, it's gonna push you center. And so you'll just have to come next time ready to let me know how much cleavage you want.
Okay.
And we'll chat about what we're doing here. I vote that we take the shoulders up and close up the plunge.
Perfect.
And take the cuffs out. We wait on the hem to make sure that our shoulders are at a good height that we're liking once all is said and done, and we don't make any decisions on the sleeves, because I want to be able to give you accurate pricing information for what it would be to make them detachable or whether we close this up or not. So just trying to maintain the aesthetic is what I'm most worried about, which I still think that it would give you some hang and some droop still, but I don't want to make any rash decisions.
Right.
Essentially.
Would it be possible to take this length off from like further down below the beading?
Potentially, but then it pulls this all the way back. I could show you what that would look like. So this is probably the lowest I could go with it, which would still run us into a bit of a fringe issue, but it would be more at the back. And so it might just be ones that we could like take off. So that is a potential. I think the warning that I have about it is that the neckline, you'll have like a seam line back here, and we can get it pretty smooth, but there's gonna be a seam line, and so there might be like a little divot. I don't know what else to call it really.
Yeah.
But then we would just be getting rid of like maybe this, and we could just detach them from here.
Right.
No one would be the wiser, and you keep the cuff circumference.
Okay.
Whether I take up here or here, it changes
to-
where I would go in and start
Got it.
unpicking,
Okay.
and I wouldn't know pricing difference between the
Got
two
it.
until I'm already unpicking, unfortunately. How does this feel? Does this feel secure? Because I would also be worried about the security of this option.
I mean, this one kind of feels more secure. That's how they've had it pinned at the store, obviously.
Yeah.
Which one do you think would be easier for you?
I'm thinking if you want to keep this, I'm thinking this might be the option.
Okay.
But it's not something that's in my usual wheelhouse, and so I can't necessarily tell you like, oh, this outcome is going to be just as satisfactory as this. Like it's going to be just as comfortable, just as secure, because this is not common.
Okay.
And so it's the riskier decision, but
Okay.
also depending on what we want to prioritize, it might be the smarter decision.
I would like to know your vote.
Oh no. Let me.
With doing this, does this affect
No, it shouldn't.
what?
I don't know what to do.
Would it also maybe be an idea to get a new dress?
What?
Stop it. Stop it right now.
Do you want a new dress?
Well, my mom, we were just saying like if it's gonna be,
A price of a new dress.
would it be? She's like, no.
I've just never had someone say that to me before. I'm like,
I mean, don't get me wrong, I love my dress.
yeah.
But
I don't know.
sorry for the rash question. There's a lot of
I'm blown away. I think. Okay.
What are you worried about? The look of that sleeve, like taking.
I think I like
you didn't
this
realize
option more.
Okay.
I do.
because you didn't realize this much beading was going to come off. Is that what? Like we knew this, but we didn't think about
Yes,
this.
I did not think about that.
Okay.
And personally, I don't think I'm gonna care if a seam in the
Okay.
back.
That's good to know. I think if you like this, we want to keep our cost low. I do think this would be the better option, because then we can just remove these strands rather than coming down, changing this,
Okay.
moving,
I agree.
you know.
Okay, I like that option more.
Okay. I think worst case scenario, they end here, but that still gives you full back arm coverage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then your opinion, when I was looking up like the dress from the designer online and stuff, they had it more closer to off the shoulder rather than like up here.
Uh-huh.
Or do you?
It will want to sit that way.
Lower.
It's
Oh.
designed to sit as a wide strap. That's where it's gonna wanna be, but it's also really heavy. And so if you feel like it's falling, we might need to do some fashion tape to just keep it secured. Because we're getting some good tightness here, but because it sits like on the crest of your shoulder, you're used to like bra straps sitting here or like tank straps sitting here. It's not gonna be normal or comfortable probably. We're also gonna be losing a couple strands from this front, from where we take in our bust dart. I think I've pinned out a fair amount. We'll definitely, once the cups are out, need to go in and make some adjustments to it.
Perfect.
How is it feeling for you?
Good. Are we able to make the shoulders a bit higher?
Yeah. Are you wanting it for security here?
I don't know. I think like, I don't know.
Because I worry that it just feels like it's really at a good place on your waist. Obviously, I don't know your body like you do.
Yeah.
If you tell me to go higher, I will go higher. Because I don't want you to have to be doing this all night to try to keep it up.
Do you do this now?
Yeah.
And then at the next fitting,
We could potentially take it
you'll
higher.
have a better idea. Because
Yeah.
you'd rather go conservative now
Totally.
and be able to make a change.
And that's kind of how we're starting with all of it. Like we're going conservative on the bust, we're going conservative on the neckline, and we'll see where we end up and see what we need to tweak. It's all on appliques and I just unpicked so much. I unpicked like very minimal, but that's so annoying. But it's good to know for the other side, I guess. And even the sleeve is all on a trim, which is super cool. Okay, I have news.
Okay.
The sleeves can be detachable
Oh, actually?
if you want.
Actually?
Yeah. So right now the sleeves are completely detached.
That made my day right there.
So this is detachable. There's also a trim that's on top of the sleeve beading that is also taken off because they were stacked on top of each other, so I just unpicked them together. I've done the bust dart. I haven't done our shoulder because I'm thinking that with this having been taken off, it negates the need to maybe do it in this weird way.
Okay.
So maybe we can do it up here, or maybe we continue to do it down here, but this way we have an option.
Okay, cool.
And then neckline has been brought up. I haven't replaced our nude mesh panel. I still have our mesh panel, but until we know exactly where you want it, I'm not gonna go put it in because we are not gonna be able to take it back out and replace it again. So we wanna hit it in one shot. So, and then if you like it without the nude, you can see it without the nude and
I wasn't
decide.
at-
I'm liking the fit over here. Tell me how the fit is through here. Is that still a little bit big on you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like,
Because it looks a little pointy right now.
yes, that was the words I was gonna use.
Yeah,
Yeah, I don't know if it's just like the padding right here.
it could be. I do kind of think if we can smooth this out, round this out, I think that that would be better.
Okay, cool.
Are you okay if I do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I like that better. And then the pads will move or
Yeah.
change out. Or I don't feel like I see beaded appliques very often, which is like what you have. And so I felt so dumb because there was like a 2-inch section that I like unpicked, and like I was unpicking this and like keeping all the beads and like keeping them in a bag. And then I was like, oh no, it's an applique.
I mean, I'm so happy for you. That makes less work for you.
Yeah.
So that's awesome. Anything to make your life
No,
easier.
thank you. I'm gonna try it up here and we'll see how we like it. I know that last time we were trying to decide between the two because one of them you felt like was giving you a little bit more security, I think. If this doesn't leave you feeling as secure, let's,
So this one was the more secure one.
oh, it was?
But then it was we were
Okay.
doing the other one because of the sleeves.
Okay. Let's hang out in it for a second and make sure that you do feel secure enough in this one, because now at this point, this one will be less work for me because I don't have to go through this beaded applique. So we'll hang out in it,
Okay.
see how we feel. We are starting to get into a much more curved area at that point.
Okay.
And so pretty much the higher we go at this point, the harder it's gonna be.
Okay.
I'm not gonna say it's impossible, but I also can't promise anything.
No, that's fine.
And I would probably only bring the mesh up to like the point of your bust.
And I think I actually like it without the mesh.
Yeah,
Okay.
I agree.
Okay, cool. I love that. That looks great to me.
And then it almost just becomes more V-neck, almost eliminates the plunge.
Yeah. Oh, that looks so good. I love that.
Cool.
Thank you.
And then when I put these back down, just know that I'm missing my third row right here, but I have them in a bag. They
Oh,
just
nice.
started popping off. And so this will be a lot more filled in. It won't look like there's a gap there, but right now it kind of does.
No, that's totally fine. I love that.
Cool.
This is going so much better than I ever thought.
Oh, good! Do you remember when you asked if she should just buy a different dress? That was
I kept
crazy.
waiting for that to like, no, this is so, I like this.
Yeah, I think that looks great.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at sleeves. Beautiful. So we have the option of making them detachable, and we can make them detachable with this trim, or potentially we can try to separate this trim, put the trim on top, and then make these beads detachable from the inside. Does that make sense?
I think so.
Okay.
The trim would be on all the time, and then the
Mm-hmm.
beads. Okay.
So
Yeah.
trim can stay on all the time, and then beads are detachable. The concern I have with putting such a heavy bead on in a detachable manner is I've never done that. I don't know. Typically with detachable sleeves, we snap them on,
Right.
but I worry that with the weight of this, they would just fall off. And so my thought is like, do we zip them on? Do we do like hooks and eyes? It would just be a
hooks and eyes could work.
yeah, it would just be a trial and error probably.
Yeah.
And so I think I lean towards put the trim on, leave the trim indefinitely,
Love it.
and then detach the beads.
Okay.
If we can find a good way to do it. And if we can't, then we just sew them back on and they're there forever. But then we gave it a good try. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
This is going better than I thought it would too. I know. So we're gonna do shoulders. We're gonna do the bust. We're not gonna put the mesh back in the neckline.
I don't think so, but are you able to keep it?
Totally. I think that next time I'm gonna try to have the cups out. The cups are sewn in so well, which is awesome until you need to take them out.
Yeah.
So I'll take those out and we can see, because I think we will probably want to move those down just a little bit.
Yeah.
Amazing. You look so good.
This is like so nice.
She's coming together.
I know. I love it.
They hot glued the beads on. It's criminal.
Do you like it not attached?
Yeah, and then we can do that for the reception.
You'll have it attached for the ceremony.
Yes.
I went in and detached. There's a trim that goes around the armhole, and then there's the beaded sleeve, and they can detach from one another. I detached those, so what we're thinking is have the beaded trim around the armhole at all times, and then we had talked about making the beaded portion of the sleeve detachable, and the bust looks a lot better now. There is more that I could do to smooth this out here, but with the beading covering it, I don't know that I'm going to go in and do that because I could easily make it too tight on your bust.
Okay.
Whereas it probably just is something that would ideally just need to be repatterned, and we don't necessarily have the fabric for that. How are the shoulders feeling?
Good.
Too tight, too loose? I also don't have the heavy sleeve on it.
Yeah.
We could go tighter.
Maybe a little bit tighter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, just want to check out the weight of it. Honestly, that should give us a good idea of the weight. Doesn't look like it's pulling, which is really nice.
Yeah, no.
I was worried about that. Let's make a decision on sleeves.
Okay.
I would either do the hand stitching in, or I would just do hooks on the sleeve side and eyes on the inside, so it would be the lowest profile on your skin. And I think that that is doable. I just don't know how many we would need to do, so it comes down to a matter of just like time and cost.
Okay.
So if you want them removable, that is possible. I've just never done it with such a heavy sleeve. Is my only like hesitation on it.
Right. That's fine. Let's do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it then.
But if you're like doing it and you're like, this is not gonna work, give me a call.
Okay.
We'll just do
We'll
the
do.
stitching. Does that make sense?
Yeah,
Okay, cool.
totally. I appreciate you being flexible with that.
Yeah.
Do you have any questions for me or any hesitations or anything that you want to chat about?
No, not really.
I was so excited. How does it feel? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's on there. Feels good.
Yeah.
Just good.
Just getting it on. That's awesome. Okay. We found that spot where those beads were coming loose and replaced them all, so that should be good. Oh, I love.
Yeah, that's better.
I
Don't you
think so. Yeah. Fine. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm gonna put some of these pieces of tape in your bag, okay? Okay, I would just put it kind of along the top of your shoulder. Like right here, you can maybe do one here if you want to, one there if you want to, but mainly just kind of at the top right there.